Hello, we're back again, and this time I've got Will, my son, who is 13, and he's going to read the book today. So.
Hello. This book is called Supertato. You might have read it before, you might not have, but we're going to read it anyway today. So, here's the first picture. A few super potatoes. And we shall begin. It was night time in the supermarket, and everyone was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? Someone was looking for trouble. Mwahahaha! Soon this supermarket will be mine. All mine. And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. Oh no! You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. If they defrost, they'll turn bad. Really bad. And baddest of them all is the evil pea. Wakey, wakey, he called. One evil pea is bad enough, but now there were bags of them. Look how many there are. The supermarket was in meltdown. Run for it, panicked Pepper. Save me! Stuttered Pear. Save me! Begged Melon. Save me! Cried Carrot. I'm melting! Pleaded Lolly.
You might want to show them the pictures a bit closer up with the camera.
And time's running out. Oh no, they all needed to be saved. But what's this? Supertato to the rescue! But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas. Oh no! What's going on? Asked Aubergine. We're doomed! That's what, cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worse. Supertato was thrown on the conveyor belt, and he was heading straight to the bagging area. Was this the end for Supertato? I'm going to need some backup. If I can just call the click. Super Veggies to the rescue. They used ninja know-how. Hi-ya! They used massive muscles. They used fancy footwork. And they used a box with a door cut in it. But what about the lollies? And where was Supertato? Sorry, I'm late. I just need to pick up some dessert. And now for those freezers. Click! And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper. Eh? Who ordered the vegetables? Screeched the evil pea. You think you've beaten me? But I'm going to... Oomph! You're going to what? Asked Supertato.
Can they see these trapped him?
They trapped him! 3 cheers for Supertato! Shouted Broccoli. Supertato blushed. I couldn't have done it without the super veggies. Actually, I'm not a vegetable, I'm a fruit, said Tomato. And everybody laughed and cheered. So with the peas back in their bags and the freezers locked, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be. Isn't it wonderful? said one lolly to the other. We're all back to normal again. And that's the end. Sorry if I stumbled a few times, but I enjoyed when I read this, so I hope you enjoyed it too.
Brilliant. Thanks, Will. Thumbs up to Will. See you again soon. Bye.